Today we will work on a road sign. The task is not difficult, but quite interesting. But be careful. Almost 70% of our viewers answer incorrectly in the comments. So, here is the task. What does this sign warn about? Number 1. Trucks prohibited. Number 2. Sharp curve with rollover risk. Number 3. Slippery when wet. Number 4. Weight limit ahead. Pause the video and write your answer in the comments. At the end of the video, you will find out whether you are right or not. I'll set the timer and give you 5 seconds to think it over. I hope you had a time to make a choice because we are moving on to a breakdown of this task. This warning sign is placed before a curve that is particularly dangerous for trucks or high-profile vehicles. It alerts drivers that taking the curve too fast can lead to a rollover. Although the symbol shows a truck, all drivers should be cautious. Reduce speed before entering the curve, especially in wet or icy conditions. So, the correct answer is number 2. Congratulations if you have chosen it. I'm Bill, your driving instructor. Subscribe to my channel so that the police never stop you and issue a fine. Drive safely and take care.